We're testing a 12-inch wide belt conveyor today here at Champion Trading Corporation. It's got stainless steel wings, all stainless steel. The wings are like 10-12 inch. And as you can see, it's variable speed. Well, you can't see that, but there's a variable speed controller right here. It can speed it up to whatever speed you want to speed it at. I think it goes to approximately like almost 70 to 100 feet a minute, wide open on full throttle. So just wanted to run a little test for you here today, here at Champion Trading. It's a nice running conveyor. Oh, sorry. champtrading.com. Find it on our website. Look at that. Fast, variable speed, 110 volt, portable, on casters, all stainless steel sanitary, made by Hytrol. Find it on our page at champtrading.com. 10 foot long conveyor by 12 inches wide with wings. Thanks for visiting today.